So if you're always looking for another tabletop to add to the tabletop you already have, but that one gets full and you just need more, so if you're anything like me, then definitely listen up to this review. I call this our Murphy desk because it folds up and down. It's another great product by Vevor, Vevor. If you have not checked out all of their fantastic products, then definitely do that. It did come with an instruction manual with all the diagrams and everything, and then it even came with a template. So we were going to mount this on the back of one of our toolboxes or tool chests. So we used the template that it came with that shows you exactly where to mark for the screws that you're going to put in to hold it. We used another great product from Vevor, this nut riveter tool, to put that in, and then we simply screwed in the brackets that will hold the little desktop. So once we got everything screwed in to the tool chest and then to the actual top of the desk, it was good to go. It took me and my dad maybe 30 minutes to install this, and that was talking and just visiting while we were doing it. And so it was really easy to put in. We were asked by Vevor to get this in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. And I really do think that we were going to order some more because it's just perfect. So you can fold it up and down, and it doesn't collect a bunch of stuff while it's folded up, because it's not another tabletop for my kids to throw stuff on. It's very low profile. It doesn't stick out far from the tool chest, as you can see here. But it's great to just throw our extra stuff on, or products when we're trying to put other things together. So definitely a great product. Thumbs up all around.